Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll introduce Meta's feature, the Marketing Message Lite API, or MM Lite API for short. This new interface is designed specifically for sending WhatsApp marketing template messages. So, what kind of businesses should use MM Lite API? If your company regularly runs marketing campaigns such as holiday promotions, new product launches, or customer re-engagement, then MM Lite API is definitely for you. Next, let's look at the key benefits of using MM Lite API. First, compared with the Cloud API, MM Lite API offers higher message delivery and open rates. With Meta's AI optimization, it helps your messages reach customers who are more likely to engage with marketing content, improving your campaign performance significantly. Second, MM Lite API enables performance tracking directly in your ad system. If your website is already using pixel tracking, you can monitor WhatsApp marketing results like impressions, click-through rates, and conversions right from your ad account. In addition, WhatsApp business accounts with MM Lite API enabled can set message expiration times for their marketing templates, making campaigns more flexible and manageable. So how can you enable and use MM Lite API? It's actually quite simple. You just need to reauthorize your WABA. The setup is straightforward. Simply go to the MM Lite API authorization page in YCloud. Click Authorize. Select your target WABA in the pop-up window and complete the authorization process. Please note that only WABA administrators can perform this step. Once authorized, all marketing template messages sent from that account will automatically go through MM Lite API. For regions where MM Lite API is not supported, YCloud will automatically switch to Cloud API to ensure message delivery without interruption. But due to Meta's policies and local regulations, certain advanced features may not be available in all regions. In the United States, starting from April 1st, 2025, all marketing messages sent to US WhatsApp users will no longer be delivered. Meta will automatically block these messages and return error code 131049. It's important to note that this policy applies not only to MM Lite API, but also to all WhatsApp business messaging APIs, including the Cloud API. US-based WhatsApp business numbers can still send messages to users outside the US, but not to domestic users for marketing purposes. Additionally, in regions such as Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Syria, and Ukraine's Crimea, Donetsk, and Luhansk regions, businesses cannot open WhatsApp Business API accounts or receive messages from other regions. This means that neither MM Lite API nor Cloud API can be used in these regions. In summary, MM Lite API offers higher engagement rates, advanced tracking capabilities, and more flexible message management, all through a simple authorization process. It's the ideal choice for businesses looking to enhance their WhatsApp marketing performance. If you'd like to learn more about how to enable or use MM Lite API on YCloud, visit our help center or contact the YCloud team. We'll be happy to assist you every step of the way. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WhatsApp and YCloud tutorials and updates. See you in the next one.